WordPress Hosting for WordPress Professionals. Focus on growing your business and living your best life will take care of ensuring your WordPress websites are running at their absolute best. We're more than just WordPress hosting. PreSobel is your partner in delivering amazing online experiences for your clients and driving your business forward. Here's what we promise. 5-star support. If you ever need help, we're here 24/7 to deliver fast, friendly support. 100% scalable. PreSobel automatically scales to handle traffic spikes, there's no need to worry. Optimized speed. Enjoy faster load times and improved SEO with our global, cloud-based network. Enhanced security. Get peace of mind with industry-leading security and free Jetpack on all plans. Express Jetpack Security Daily, $239 per year value, included with personal plan or greater. Entry plans include the Jetpack free plugin. The perfect home for your WordPress websites. With PreSobel, your clients' websites live on Automatic's WP Cloud, the only cloud platform built exclusively for optimized WordPress site speed, uptime, security, and scalability. Web application firewall, free global CDN, automatic failover, and daily backups come with all plans. Think of PreSobel as an extension of your team. Your satisfaction and success are our top priorities. That's why we don't believe in tiered support and put in the extra effort to make your onboarding as smooth as possible. Less stress equals more success. Tired of dealing with unplanned downtime issues with your current host? PreSobel is the only managed WordPress hosting provider that guarantees in our SLA that our cloud infrastructure will be available 100% of the time. This keeps your clients happy and your team focused on the big picture. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Managing client WordPress websites can be tedious and time-consuming. Our intuitive control panel makes it simple to manage one site or 100. Create new sites, add collaborators to a project, move sites from staging to live, monitor plan usage, access backups, and much more with just a few clicks.